Soriano, one of the best at the net as a middle hitter. She might not be the tallest middle hitter, but she's still one of the best.
You know, it's all about timing also when you're a middle hitter, especially yung mga quick hits.
Of course,
Yun
Angela
kasi
Benting.
Gretchen Ho.
Yeah.
Very effective, di ba?
Adamson building a 3-point advantage in a set that they must win to stay alive here in their Final Four matchup against USD. Aiza Maizo taking matters into her own hands here.
Look at this. Easy point for Aiza Maizo. Actually not in the best position to take that attack, but still just looked for that open space. Got the point. This is how it should be. Soriano using the blockers of USD. Getting that point.
17-14, Pineda. Getting ready to serve. Di makulangan. Ortiz in the middle. Great defense as Benting picks it up on the first ball. Adamson on the attack. Benting blocked, but that's a point. Adamson off. That was off Aiza Maizo.
And that was a smart move by Angela Benting. Really no space for her. So use the blockers to take that one.
Ano na naman tayo yan eh. Maghahamon tayo ng ano malayo eh. Ha? Ha? Tsagayin natin yan. 4 lang yan. Tsaga, ha? Sipag lang tayo, sipag. Tinatamad kayo gumalaw eh. Kayo umayaw. Parang ganun. Ha? Timing lang sa quick. Medyo dinidelay yung palo ng ano eh. Sabayan mo lang yung ano, Soriano. Ha? Tapos, pag nag-quick, cover tayo. Di ba may pumasok sa cover tayo? Sino nasa gitna? Ikaw? Oh, kung kumover ka doon sa gilid, doon lagi dinadala ni Soriano. Hindi natin makuha. Pinapalo lang, pa-check ball. Kunin natin yung check ball, ha? Salamat, depensa.
Coach Shaq De Los Santos, of course, very concerned. Ayaw nilang humabol ulit. And right now, they're down by 4. Biggest lead of Adamson in this set.
And you don't want to give momentum to a team like Adamson. Talagang kukunin nila yan sa'yo. Kung pwede lang, hindi na nila ibabalik. Iuwi na nila yan.
Benting. Aiza Maizo.
Again, Maizo, just the leader of the pack. Look at that angle. Really beautiful angle. That attack by Aiza.
But USD is still down by 3.
Naman trivia lang, si Aiza Maizo pala, Maizo.
Maizo pala.
Yeah. Ba't sabi niya, wala na, sabi niya. Baka pag sinabi na Maizo, sino yun?
Baka malito pa yung
Sino yun?
mga tao, no? So it's Maizo, the correct way you pronounce her name. So when you bump into her on the streets, make sure you call her the right way. Soriano.
This is what we're talking about.
Getting so much confidence from her points and her shots kanina that, you know, right now she can wield that ball inside.
And on the other side, USD just playing a bit more relaxed in this third set. It's not yet over.
Benting winning against Ortiz at the net.
Imagine that. It's all about timing. As you see Benting. Perfect timing as she blocks that ball.
Back to a 4-point lead for Adamson. 20-16. Pao Soriano serving. Maizo, huge error right there. That's what Adamson's been waiting for. They're up by 5 this time. 21-16 will listen back into USD.
Normal mabla. Ang bagal eh. Pag tumatigil mo na sa kamwa habuli. Bagal yung reaction. Ambulan, tsaga.
First ball ha. 1 good receive. Set. Take, tara. Isa.
Adamson with a 5-point advantage, and USD dug themselves in a hole that they have to climb out of if they want to finish this off in three straight sets.
Yes, and actually I was going to say before that timeout, tama si Coach Shaq. Mukhang a step late in defense ang UST. That's why they're having a hard time to run their plays. Maran man nila, babagal kasi. So, nandun na yung blockers ng Adamson.
Oh, that's still good. Ortiz using both hands to actually score that ball. But Angela Benting capitalizing on that confusion in the LaSalle defense.
And look at Angela Benting. Look at that angle, cross-court hit. But Nadikla trying to get it with one hand. Not enough.
USD falling behind further here. In set number 3, that's on the line for Bernal.
Bernal just really stepping up here and filling the shoes of Herutsuji really well.
But it's still a solid 5-point advantage for Adamson, and they only need three more points to win set number 3 and extend their life in this set and in this match.
Oh.
Wow, what a break as Makatuno winning the point, not outright, but
Yes.
USD unable.
Another unforced error coming from USD. Bernal, open, that's a good call. I thought it was a knuckler, but it was an open hand, so violation on Bernal.
6-point advantage, Adamson. 23-17, Zapanta.
Oh, and again, poor read by
Putting Adamson
Banatila.
at
Set point, Adamson here. In set number 3, a chance to extend this Final Four matchup one more set. Angela Benting playing in her final season. Maybe her final match, but could it be her final set? Doesn't seem like it. Zapanta. And that is it. Adamson sending this into at least a 4-setter against UST by taking them down 25-17. What a comeback here for Adamson. Zapanta off the block. And Lady Falcons keep themselves in it. Set number 4 coming up right after these.